Good day everyone, Michael Posnick, Century 21 Northumberland, coming to you from a cottage I'm closing on in the next couple of days. Both of the vendor and the purchaser are out of the country, so we're going to be doing this long distance via photography. Now this particular unit, which I'm not going to mention the address on, has been on the market, I've been told, for over 10 years. Now I could find it on the MLS for at least 2 or 3. It started off as about $250,000, which coincidentally was the address, was $250,000. So that's what the vendor elected to put it on for. So evidently, at the end of the day, it sold for what was suggested from day one. However, we've wasted years of time. In the meantime, that money could have been taken out of this asset, put into something else like stocks, bonds, whatever the case may be, and you probably would have tripled your money by now with an aggressive investment. So again, relating back to yesterday's video, don't underestimate the price in the Prince Edward Island market. Whether it takes you a day or a month to go over the data, which includes the sales data, the expired data, which is very important, which a lot of people don't look at, and of course the active data, which probably isn't as important as the first two criteria. And furthermore, go through the absorption rates. Looking at those factors, you should be able to determine the actual market price of your property and have it sold in a reasonable length of time in accordance to the absorption data. Have a great day. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. One other little interesting note here is the lockbox has been on the property for so long I couldn't get it off, so I actually had to replace the lock set as well as one of my added free services. So now they have a functioning lock set without a rusty old lockbox attached. Have a great day. Bye.